Good morning, guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to install a set of steps on the Duramax. So right here's the steps I bought, and they're made by Go Rhino. So these steps are called the Dominator D4, and the thing I like about these steps, they tie into the cab mounts. Most of the new ones now tie into the inner rockers, and you guys know how those rust out. So I like this setup a lot better. It ties into the cab mounts just like the factory steps. So I went ahead and took some of my cab mounts out. I noticed this rubber bushing here. I noticed it looked pretty bad. So did the washer that was on it. So I bought a new set. These are polyurethane, and I got a new set of washers with it. And polyurethane should last a whole lot longer. They don't rot and crack like these do. So as you can see, it ties into your cab mounts, and you got a little spot right here for extra support. And it comes with these little boat plates right here, slide down in them holes there. So you got your boat, your washer, your bracket, and you got the big washer, the bushing, and then the top washer for the factory. Alright, so I got the rear mount snugged up there. I haven't put it tightened down yet. Now you need to put your support bracket on. There's a little rubber plug right there, and you're going to have to remove it. And they give you a paper. All you got to do is look at the last two letters, and you can go up to your bracket. And they're actually already labeled, so it makes it pretty easy to find out what bracket you need. So since we're on the rear, we're going to need a BA. So right here is BA. We're going to need this boat plate, and we're going to slide that back in that plug that we got to remove. Now whenever you're getting your brackets, make sure you get it for the right side. Now they are two BAs, but one of them's passenger and one of them's driver's side. So now we got the rubber piece off, we're going to take this mount right here and install that right there, and that's going to line up that hole right there. So you're going to take this mounting plate right here, and you're just going to slide that up in there, and you're going to turn it. So now we'll go ahead and tighten up our cab mount bolt, and then we can tighten up these support brackets right here. Now we got the rear bracket mounted. Now we're going to need the middle. We're going to need the one in the BA. Alright, on the front you don't need to remove the drain plug. You're going to tie a bracket in right there. And guys, when you're installing these, you might want to set your steps up just to make sure all these mounts line up good before you completely tighten them down. Before you do the middle section, go ahead and put your steps on there and just make sure they line up good. And just like the others, you're going to install your boat, the big washer, then you're going to have your bushing. Alright, so we got our bracket on, the support brackets bolted down. Alright guys, so we got all three brackets installed, and now we can do the driver's side. And I ain't going to film it because it's the exact same way. Alright guys, you can see I got the passenger side steps on. So far I really like them. It still gives the truck a clean look. I do like the way the truck looks without steps, but I think these right here make it look real good. Well guys, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.